Now comes to property 4. It says if there are m equally likely message where m equals to the power n, then information carried in m equals to n bits. Since we have m equally likely message, then the probability of each message will be 1 by m, because we already know that for equally likely messages the probability of occurrence of each event will be same. So information contained in the message is equal to ik, ik equals to log to 1 by pk, where the value of pk equals to 1 by m. Now we put the value m, that is log to m, where put the value m equals to 2 to the power n. So ik equals to log 2 to the power n. Now this n value, as it is power of 2, we can put it in this of left side of this log 2. It is the formula for logarithm theory. So which means it represents n log 2 2. That means n log 2 base 2. Now value of n log 2 base 2 equals to 1. So that means ik equals to n. So the property is true. So this is there are 4 properties which is proved here. In your syllabus it may come, so prepare yourself all the proof, and if you have any query, ask me in a Google Classroom comment section. Thank you.